Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior B. This is third part of video lecture. Chapter 2nd of Civics, Class 7. Dear student, today we will study healthcare and equality. Is adequate health care available to all in our country? In this topic, when we will compare private health service and public health service, we find that private health service is increasing regularly, but public health service are not. In this case, which service will be available to all? No doubt, private health service will be available to all people and all the time. As these services are concentrated in urban areas, these services are rather high. Means cost of these services are high. Medicines are expensive. So all the people cannot afford these services, or they have to borrow money in case of illness or injury in their families. Dear student, these services are expensive. Why? Because these services are run for what? These services run for money, profit. Dear students, in order to make more profit, private health services encourages practices which are incorrect, which are not right. In this effort, private health services prescribe expensive medicines, injections, and saline bottle. Means they also prescribe the medicine which was not needed. Means what? To make more profit, they practice in correct way. Dear students, can you imagine only 20% of our population can afford the medicine they require during illness in the hospital? Means what? The person who consider themselves as rich, the person who do not consider themselves as poor, they also became in hardship during illness or during injuries. Dear students, in a survey, it is found that 40% of people, when they are admitted in hospitals for injuries or illness, either they have to borrow money or they have to sell some of the possessions to pay the bills of hospitals. Dear students, till this, we found that private services are no doubt very expensive. But now we will see, is money all the thing for health? Only lack of money prevent people to take better health services? We will find that no. Only lack of money is not the bar. Only lack of money is not the barrier in taking health services. Dear students, in case of women, health concern of women is not given importance in compare of men. Means women are not taken to the doctor in a proper prompt. Health of women is not considered as important as men. Means here, if you have money, but in case of women, you are not willing to expend your money over illness of woman. Means her health is not considered as important as man. Here, money is not barrier. Dear student, one case is also there that tribal areas, either they have no health service or the health service they have, they did not run properly. Private services are absent in tribal areas. Dear student, poverty. All of us know that poverty is a curse for us. Poor people cannot afford expensive health service. In case of illness or injury, they became anxious and distressed. The worst condition is that this condition or this worseness leads to repeat again and again. Why? Because they are not provided basic necessities. Means they are not provided safe drinking water, adequate housing and clean environment. If they would have these facilities, they are not likely to fall ill. Means one factor is also that if poor people are no doubt undernourished because they are not taking as much food as they should, then chances are there to fall ill for poor people. So government should provide poor people proper drainage system, adequate housing, safe drinking water and etc. That's all, dear students. Stay at home to fight with Corona. Tomorrow we will compare two case studies what the government did to make their people healthy. That's all. Stay at home to fight with corona. Have a nice day.